Hello everyone, welcome to Pharma Future Family. I am Krishna Nirmade, ex-student of NIPER Hyderabad. Daily we will discuss a 6 multiple choice question from different and specific topic. Today our topic of discussion is the pharmaceutical calculation from pharmaceutics. It is important for GPAT, NIPER and pharmacist exam. First we'll see the today's first question, that is 1 decigram is equal to dash dash mg. Option A is 100 mg, option B 1000 mg, option C 10,000 mg and option D. Then here is the measurement of weight in metric system, that is table, conversion table. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram, 1 hectagram is equal to 100 gram, 1 decagram is equal to 10 gram and 1 decigram is equal to 0.1 gram. There is always confusion between decagram and decigram, but decagram is mentioned as DAG and a decigram is mentioned as DG. Then 1 centigram is equal to 0.01 gram, 1 milligram is equal to 0.001 gram, then 1 microgram is equal to 0.000001 gram, and finally 1 gram is equal to 1000 mg. Our question is that 1 decigram is equal to dash dash mg. Then 1 decigram is equal to 0.1 gram as per table. Then 1 gram is equal to 1000 mg. Then finally 0.1 gram is equal to 100 mg. The right answer will be the 100. Then moving to what is the standard unit for weighing in the troy system, that is kilogram, pound, grain and ounce. Measurement system is divided into two types, that is imperial system and metric system. In metric system, standard unit for volume is liter and for weight is kilogram. For troy system, it is also called as apothecary system and standard unit for the troy system is grain. For imperial system, the volume, standard unit for volume is gallon. The right answer will be the question is grain. Moving to third question, that is 4 fluid ounce is equal to dash dash. Option A 1 desired spoonful, option B 1 teaspoonful, option C 2 tablespoonful and option D 1 tablespoonful. Now we'll see there is a conversion table for domestic measure. In that domestic measure, their conversion in metric system and imperial system are given. 1 drop is equal to 0.061 ml is equal to 1 minim. Then 1 tablespoonful is equal to 4 ml, that is 1 fluid drachm. 1 desired spoonful is equal to 8 ml, that is a 2 fluid drachm. 1 tablespoonful is equal to 15 ml, that is 4 fluid drachm. Then our right answer will be the 1 tablespoonful. Then 2 tablespoonful is equal to 30 ml, that is 1 fluid ounce. Then 1 wine glass full is equal to 60 ml, that is 2 fluid ounce. Then 1 teacup full is equal to 120 ml, that is imperial is 4 fluid ounce. Then 1 tumbler full is equal to 240 ml and imperial is 8 fluid ounce. Then right answer will be the 4 fluid ounce is equal to 1 teacup spoon. Then moving to question number 4, that is prepare 500 ml of 30% alcohol from 80% alcohol and then calculate the amount of 80% volume required. Option A be the 205 ml, option B 450 ml, option C 230 ml and option D 250 ml. Now we'll see the explanation. Question is that prepare 500 ml of 35% alcohol from 85% alcohol. The calculate amount of 80% volume required. Okay, then what is given in that? Volume required is 500 ml. Then percentage of alcohol required is 35%. Then percentage of alcohol already given is 85%. Now we'll see the formula, that is volume of stronger alcohol required is equal to volume required into percentage required divided by percentage used. Then 500 will be the volume required into 35 into percentage required divided by 85, that is a concentration percentage given. Okay, then 575 is equal to 35, then 17.5 is equal to 85, then 500 into 7 is equal to 3500 divided by 17, then 3500 divided by 17 is equal to 205. 205 is the right answer. Then moving to fifth question, then that is calculate the volume of 5 kg liquid. We have to calculate the 5 kg liquid, and density given of liquid is equal to 1.78 gram per ml. Option A 2775, option B 2750, option C 2808, option D is 2820. Now we'll see the answer with the description. Question is the calculate the amount of volume of 5 kg liquid and have a density 1.78 gram per ml. Calculation based on density, there are three formulas. First one is the density is equal to weight by volume, then weight is equal to density into volume, then volume is equal to weight by density. Now we have to calculate the volume. Volume is equal to weight by density is equal to, first we have to convert the kg into gram. First one is the 5 kg is equal to 500 gram, then volume is equal to 5000 divided by 1.78 is equal to 2808 ml. It is the right answer. Then moving to sixth and last question, that is convert the 150 farad into Celsius. We have to convert the farad into Celsius. Option A will be the 60, option B 70, option C 66, and option D 72. Now we'll see the conversion, how to convert farad into Celsius. There is formula that 9 degrees Celsius is equal to 5 farad minus 160. It is a fixed formula. We have to put the value of farad into this formula, that is 9 degrees Celsius is equal to 5 into 150 minus 160. Then 9 degrees Celsius is equal to 5 into 150 is equal to 750 minus 160. Then 750 minus 160 is equal to 590. Then this 9 is transferred from this side to this side. Then 590 divided by 9 is equal to 65.55. Then 65.55 degrees Celsius is the right answer. The near answer will be the 66. Then 66 is the right answer. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, share to your friend. They are preparing for GPAT, NIPER or pharmacy.